Hey everyone, today I just have an unboxing and first look video of this Quntis monitor light. It comes with this little puck from remote control as well. Get to that in just a bit. But let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior packaging. You can see there's a graphic on the back showing the various different thinness or thicknesses of monitors you can place this lamp on. But opening it up, let's take a look at what we get inside. So individually packaged are these little spacers. I'll show you in just a minute what they do, and also small Allen keys to tighten the hinge on the lamp. And then in this next pouch is actually the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to full USB-A port that you can use to basically power the actual lamp. You can either plug it into a power strip that's compatible, or hopefully your computer still supports USB-A. So the cable is for powering the lamp itself, but these two AAA batteries are for powering the remote control puck, which is over here on the right. And what I can appreciate by the bottom design opposed to other types of battery covers is that it's actually magnetic. So all you have to do is press on one side and then the cover comes off, and it's very easy to put the cover right back on as well. So I really appreciate that design. Now getting to the lamp itself, and wow, I was actually quite surprised on just how heavy this is. It's almost 1.5 pounds, so I wouldn't probably use this on like a laptop screen. Definitely want to use it on a standalone sturdy monitor, otherwise you might risk damaging your screen. And lastly, the final item in the packaging is this instruction manual in several different languages. Okay, so let's take a look at those spacers I was talking about. So altogether there are actually three. One of them came attached to it. So you just need to attach two of these spacers to create the appropriate amount of gap that you can use on your specific monitor. And then of course change the angle of that back hinge to get the right weight balance. I do find it funny that the hinge is really so noisy, but I guess that's just what you get when you have a plastic hinge. Moving up in terms of the light bar, you can see there's another hinge that's a little bit quieter where the light bar resides, and there's also an ambient light sensor there to detect the lighting in the room, and then on the back center is where you would plug in that USB-C cable. And then to power it on, you just go ahead and plug the USB-A in either to your laptop or an outlet, and then don't forget about that remote. Make sure you have the batteries inserted. I have on the screen the various different control options this remote offers. Another design feature I can appreciate are the rubber grips on the bottom, which allow me to use this control seamlessly on a smooth surface without moving it around. So this is super easy to set up. It's plug and play, and then you just go ahead and situate it on the top of your monitor like so. And then using that little remote puck, you can control the brightness, the light temperature, and also the timer if you want it to go off a certain amount of time. So altogether, I think this is a pretty nice little light bar that you can utilize just to light up a particular work surface right in front of your monitor. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the link in the description.